Zain Lecture Series TZLS Unplugged merupakan salah satu inisiatif yang diambil oleh Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia dalam mewujudkan wadah penglibatan pihak industri di dalam universiti.
Saya percaya program seperti ini akan membolehkan dunia akademik dan perniagaan berkolaborasi untuk menjalin kerjasama, membincangkan penyelesaian yang inovatif dan mampan serta mengungkai permasalahan dan cabaran masa depan yang semakin kompleks pada hari ini.
Ladies and gentlemen, why should you listen to me today? The topic, capturing opportunities for national renewal, might sound cliché, but at least I avoided the word crossroads. For businesses across many sectors, there have been a multitude of changes. Although many manufacturers, especially of essential goods, persevered, the fragility of supply chains was exposed by the pandemic. One of the highlights of GA Malaysia in the last year has been working with UKM and other universities through the Ministry of Higher Education Career Advancement Programme, or KPTCAP. This gives graduates access to boot camps in data analytics and digital marketing, so they enter the workforce with valuable in-demand skills.
Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. You're the one I see.